Right now, I'm going to show you exactly how you can properly set up your Google My Business page. This is how the Google My Business page looks like, which is located at google.com/business. Once you're here, you're going to want to sign in. And then when you're signed in, you're greeted with this, what's the name of your business page? So this is how the beginning of the process is looking like. It's going to ask you for your name of your business. The name that you're going to want to use here is the name that your customers know you by. So if your customers know you by Bob's Dental Cleaning and your official business name is Bob's Dentist, you're going to want to go by Bob's Dental Cleaning. Another important note to understand is that this business name that you're going to enter in right here is going to be used across all of the directories on the web. So think like Yelp, think Yellow Pages, think Super Pages. So it's important to keep in mind that, again, this name is going to be used across the entire web. And the reason we're going to use the same name across different directories on the web is for consistency. Google absolutely loves consistency, and this kind of consistency is going to make Google absolutely love your listing, and is going to optimize it faster, and it's going to put your listing higher and higher on the search engine rankings organically, which means you're going to get free leads. Let's enter our business name, which is going to be Bob's Dentist. Okay, now you're going to get this screen. Where are you located? This is another very important screen, and what we need to understand here is that you need to know if you are a business that customers come to or a business that goes to your customers or clients. So think if you're a service business, like a plumber that goes to your client to fix a plumbing issue, you're going to want to press I deliver goods and services to my customers. What that's going to do is it's going to allow you to press another checkbox called Hide My Address. So when you press this checkbox, Google is not going to show potential customers your actual address. Instead, they're going to show a service area in which you do service. Okay. Now, if you have a business that, let's say, a kitchen remodeling company, if you have a business where customers come to your location, let's say you have a showroom to look at potential samples, then you're going to want to uncheck the Hide My Address box because people still come to your physical business. So you're going to want that address to be displayed. Okay. Another tip to consider is that Google is actively rewarding business owners who actually provide their address for potential customers. This is because Google is actively trying to filter out businesses that are lead generation businesses instead of actual local businesses in the area. So that's why I'm noticing that Google is actively, again, trying to really rank you higher if you have a physical address on file with them. So this is why I highly recommend having a physical address. Now, if you're a plumber and you might not necessarily have a business location, and you don't want to use your residence as a business location to be listed publicly on Google, you're going to want to rent a mailbox service. And with the mailbox, you can receive your verification code from Google, which you can enter into here. The second option for you is to use a provider, which I'm going to link down below. And that provider is going to be able to verify a Google My Business listing for you without actually having to have a physical location. And I'm going to have the link down below. I think it's about $100. If that's something you want to try out, go ahead and test it out. If you have any questions about that service, go ahead and leave a question in the comments. So moving on, let's just press Hide My Address and continue. Well, all right, I'm going to enter my address and I'll be right back. Okay. So the next screen says choose your category that fits your business best. So we're going to cover this in an entirely different video. But for now, if you are a dentist, just put dentist and press continue. All right, which contact details do you want to show to your customers? This is another very important screen because it's asking for two things. It's asking for a phone number and it's asking for your website. One thing to remember with the phone number is that, as with the business name, this is the phone number that's going to be listed across all of your directories on the web, and it's very important to have this phone number be consistent across all of the directories to have Google give you more free organic traffic and to rank you higher in the search terms. All right. In terms of the actual website, go ahead and just enter in your homepage, and that should be good. So you have now set up your Google My Business listing. This is the page that's going to show up after you put in your website information, and at this point you just want to press finish. All right, we're inside our Google My Business console. So for now, there's not much you can really do until you get your business listing verified. And what that means is in a few days, Google is going to send out a postcard in the mail that's going to have your verification code. The verification code from Google is going to look something like this envelope right here. And then inside that envelope, you're going to get this blue PIN number that you're going to enter into your Google My Business console to verify your business listing. Once you get your Google verification code, you're just going to want to sign in back into Google My Business console and just press enter verification code. All right, I'm going to enter in mine right now. Press verify. All right, congratulations. So now your Google My Business listing has been verified for your business. So now that you have a verified listing, this is where it gets really exciting. You have full control over your Google My Business listing right now, and you can even see your listing on Maps by clicking this button, and you can also see it on search by clicking this one, view on search right here. You're going to be able to see that my business shows up on Google, and potential customers can reach out to me, give me a phone call, and I can potentially get a free lead at this point. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about how you can optimize your Google My Business listing to get the most amount of free leads you possibly can. And if this video really helped you out, go ahead and press the like button down below. Go ahead and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. See you in the next video.